Hi everyone, I'm Louis Villaverde and I will be discussing to you Homework 9 LabView program for ship bit for LEDs using front panel push button. This is the block diagram for the homework number 9, which is a LabView Arduino ship bit for LED with push button inside the LabView program. So this is the push button created to control the 4 LEDs having set up in a ship register. 4 ship registers respectively will be um, storing and looping the data sent out from the program to the Arduino and writing it to the or setting it as an output for the pins 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are set up as output, digital output, to be written to the same set of pins 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the timer set is 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. This is the push button set up in the front panel to send signal for initialization of the loop. So this is the control to stop the overall while loop for the system. So let's try. So the LEDs are sending signal, are being lit while the signal is sent to the system. So let's try to turn it off. So waiting for the 4 seconds to um, to sequentially turn off the system. So let's try to see what's in the Arduino. So the camera is, I'll just send it here so that I can fetch the camera. The camera, I turn on the 4 LEDs. I will turn on the 4 LEDs simultaneous to turning off and on of this push button, just like the program in our block diagrams for LabView. So let's try to send signal. So 1, 2, 3, then 4. Then if I would turn it off again, it will sequentially turn off. That's the essence of the ship register with a 1 second time for 4 LEDs. That's my presentation for homework number 9. Thank you.